Round 1, 8 single crochet to magic ring. Slip stitch, first stitch, round 2, chain 1, 2 single crochet each stitch, round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet and 1 increase, one single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat the pattern. Round 4, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 2 and 1 increase, 1 single crochet, next 2 and 1 increase. Repeat the pattern. Round 5, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 3, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, next 3 and 1 increase. Repeat the pattern. Round 6, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 4 and 1 increase, 1 single crochet, next 4 and 1 increase. Repeat the pattern. Round 7, chain 1, 1 single crochet each stitch, round 8, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 5, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, next 5 and 1 increase. Repeat the pattern. Round 9, chain 1, 1 single crochet each stitch, round 10, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 6 and 1 increase, 1 single crochet, next 6 and 1 increase. Repeat the pattern. Round 11 to 15, 1 single crochet each stitch, continue 5 rounds. Round 11 to 15, 1 single crochet each stitch, continue 5 rounds. Now I finish 1 single crochet 5 rounds. Then round 16, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 6 and 1 decrease. Repeat pattern 3 times. 1 single crochet, next 6 and 1 decrease. Repeat pattern 3 times. Second time, third time. Then 1 single crochet, next 16. Again 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 6. Repeat pattern 3 times. 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 6. Second time, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 6. Third time, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 6. Slip stitch first stitch, then round 17, 18. 1 single crochet each stitch, continue 2 rounds. Round 19, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 5, 1 decrease. One single crochet, next 5, 1 decrease. Repeat pattern 3 times. Second time, 1 single crochet, next 5, 1 decrease. Third time, 1 single crochet, next 5, 1 decrease. Then 1 single crochet, next 16. Again 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 5. Repeat pattern 3 times. 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 5. Second time, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 5. One decrease, third time, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 5. Slip stitch first stitch. Round 20, round 21, 1 single crochet each stitch, continue 2 rounds. round 22, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 4 and 1 decrease. 1 single crochet, next 4 and 1 decrease. Repeat pattern 3 times. Second time 1 single crochet, next 4 and 1 decrease. Third time 1 single crochet, next 4, 1 decrease. Then 1 single crochet, next 16. Again 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 4. Repeat pattern 3 times. 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 4. Second time 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 4. Third time 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 4. Slip stitch, first stitch. Round 23, round 24, 1 single crochet each stitch. Continue 2 rounds.